Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the Mind Network Testnet Quest on Galxe. The Mind Network is a layer 2 that is, actually, I'm not exactly sure what type of layer 2, zero knowledge, proof, zero trust layer of Web 3. They are in one of Binance Labs incubation programs, and they do have an Ethereum fellowship grant, so that looks good. It is followed by some pretty heavily backed projects, and yeah, I don't know much about the Mind Network, so we will be exploring this together, but the Mind Network Testnet is now live. You can do the DApp tests and earn rewards by engaging with the Mind Network Testnet and be among the first in Web3 to use FHE for secure asset transfers. Untraceable yet verifiable. So you can join their Galxe campaign here. And it just started about a little over a week ago. So the testnet is officially live. Members who accumulate points and claim the NFT will have the opportunity to earn exciting incentives. Please follow the testnet tutorial to effortlessly embark on the exciting zero trust journey. We'll check on that. So the Mind Network DApp empowers users to conduct untraceable yet verifiable transactions, combining fully homomorphic encryption with stealth address protocol. So their product ensures the privacy and security of on-chain transfers, cross-chain bridges, token swaps, and staking activities. And the Mind Network Zero Trust Layer, which is a zero knowledge proof, plus fully homomorphic encryption. And I don't know what fully homomorphic encryption is, but sounds pretty fancy. Aiming to bring the next billion users and $1 trillion to Web3. So very interesting stuff from the Mind Network, and this is easy to get into because it doesn't require any funds. So before we actually dive into the fun, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the cool stuff we get to learn, and the fun rewards we get to earn along the way. And also, if you have any questions, comments, need any help with anything, jump in the Discord, and a link is in the description of the video below. So get in there, connect with me and other people in the community, get your questions answered, and yeah, let's I didn't realize how beneficial making these videos would be, not just to myself to figure out how to get through all these quests and campaigns, but other people getting help from all walking through it step by step. I feel it's really important to show the whole process and not cut things out and shortchange you to get the information you need, because there's a lot of tedious things and nuances and stuff that you have to kind of figure out, and it's not always clear. So especially when linking wallets or importing wallets, and you know, making, like, you have to do one protocol and send it to another address, so it's a lot of moving parts. So I'm happy I can demystify a lot of this problem and struggle areas for everyone. So thank you so much for keeping me active and on my P's and Q's, on my toes. But I appreciate y'all. But with that, let's get into it. So you can check out the testnet tutorial. You can add the Mind Network. Let's go to the testnet link. We have Polygon Mumbai, so we don't need to add that. And we also have the testnet tokens, but to do this, you can go to Chainlist if you don't want to. Oh, you can also go to here and connect your wallet, and it will automatically import the network that you want to be on. So unsupported, so Mumbai. And that's what I love about the Rabby wallet, is that it will automatically do it, where in MetaMask it will say, do you want to switch to this network? So there you go. And you can also come to Chainlist and hit include testnets, and then Polygon. Whoop. Polygon. And you got Mumbai right here. And you can connect your wallet and add it there. Chainlist is a great resource. Now coming here, go to faucet.polygon.technology. And you can get testnet tokens from here. Verify that I'm a human. Yes, I am human. That's funny. One of my good friends is named Hamoon, and his brother's name is Human. Kind of funny, kind of funny. All right. So in order to get your testnet tokens, you must join the Discord and verify your email. Well, have a Discord, verify your email, and join the Polygon Discord. And you'll paste your wallet address in here. You'll connect your Discord and get your tokens. But since I do not need them at the moment, so task 1, register on the Mind Network. Now all these are, testnet registration. I've done this before. Let me go to the DApp. So I think, once you come in here, you register and sign your wallet, and that will give you access to the DApp website, and you will get verified for this step. And also the space user, to get verified for that, you want to come and follow this space. So if I open up this little task, or this quest right here, so this has some social stuff. You want to join the Discord, Telegram, visit the website, quote, and the space user, make sure you're following the space, and the testnet registration. That's where, remember, use your wallet that is linked to your Galxe profile. And you'll come in here, complete that, and then you'll claim these points, and you'll go on to the network testnet transfer. So make a stealth transfer to another wallet. Enter the recipient's wallet account, choose the amount, the token, and then transfer. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to open up my MetaMask because I have other addresses in there that I can. I'm going to go to the Super Protocol testnet. Okay. So now I can transfer. Let's go to transfer. So from our main wallet, and then I'm going to add the wallet to my second account. So you can add more accounts to your main wallet, and it's like a separate wallet. So let's check out 5matic. Okay. So I need to disconnect to this. And I'm gonna swap over because I need to check if the recipient's wallet has to be registered on the Mind Network. So let's connect our MetaMask. Now I'm going to connect the wallet or the account that you want to have interacted on here, and we can register. So it's pretty easy. Now we can disconnect. I'm gonna switch back to the Rabby. Now, anytime you switch your wallet, you need to refresh the page so that way it can resync with the changes that you've made. Now I can go to transfer. I can, wrong one. I want to get my wallet address that I'm sending it to. And there you go. Now it doesn't say how much. I can send 5, I can send 1, I can send 0.1. There is no minimum requirement. As you can see, sending it from this address to another. Confirm. Okay, enable test nets. There we go. Go to your Rabby. Thank you, Manta. That Manta airdrop was quite tasty. I'm really happy I was able to share some of that with my brother. That was really awesome. Really awesome. Man, if you can make some good money in this space, or come up on a fat airdrop, and you have people you can share that with, fuck yeah. That's one of the goals in this space, man, is to create financial wealth and abundance to where you can just not be stuck in a paycheck to paycheck life, you know? It's been a lot of years I lived like that, and a lot of years. But if you're committed and stay dedicated in this space, it'll reward you. You just got to stay vigilant, stay active. And let's see, so make a seamless address. And I think this will, okay, there we go. Verified. So now you can claim your testnet or your points. And boom, we'll get the, now since this is on, you're claiming on Polygon when you come to the Galxe page, so make sure you have testnet, or not testnet, but actual Polygon-matic tokens. Yeah, so once you complete that, you have until February 20th to complete all this. They'll have a token swap coming soon. Ooh, you got the hiccups. You can also bridge from Sepalia to Mumbai. And yeah, if you need tokens on there, but I guess it's only a special type of token, CCIP. But let's see if we can scan an address and see what this does. We come in here, interact with this testnet a little bit, send it to a send it to multiple addresses. So create in your MetaMask, or even your Rabby, I think. No, I don't know how to do it in the Rabby, but in the MetaMask, you can come here and add a new account, and you can say Mind Network 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can just send, like I did with Linea, you can send these to, you can transfer testnet tokens to different bridges, or to different accounts, and you can rack up your on-chain activity through that. But come in here and check it if you have funds that you've received via stealth address, and get this testnet going, man. You just never know what kind of rewards we'll get from this. I mean, probably not a lot since there's already 50,000 people, so keep that in mind, but also this isn't the only thing that they will be doing as far as campaigns. So keep that in mind. Keep this on your project watch list, and yeah, complete this and knock these points out, or get these points. But I appreciate y'all so much. If you need any help getting through this, jump in the Discord and I'll be happy to help you out. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace, homies.